All right, mic check. Quickly, I'm going to welcome you to the introductory class for Forex, and then I'm sure you would have an amazing time coming up in this academy. A lot of things are in store, and then I'm going to take you one step at a time so that you can have the very, very best. This is a quick one to show you the result of someone who had been trading Forex way before he came in contact with vinanceclub and everything that we represent. And then this is his experience. This is experience so far. In November 2018, when he started trading, he had 0.79% growth. In December, minus 0.31, and then in January, minus 1%, February, minus 0.52%. And then he joined vinanceclub in March. And then you can see the significant growth that happened to this particular guy, 52.97%. And then April, as at the time of taking this snapshot, it was just the first week in the month of April, and then he's able to get 20.21%. Very, very amazing. Everything he learned and then he's able to put in place, and much more is what you are also standing here to gain. If it's your first attempt at trading Forex, you don't need to start from a negative hand. You can crush this game. You can have amazing results right here trading Forex. Okay. This is a crop of individuals who have been able to pass through my trading classes, and then they've also graduated to become professional full-time traders. Yeah, a quick example, this is a medical practitioner. He was working with one of the renowned university college hospitals, and then now he has resigned to pick up a full-time trading job. He trades full-time for himself. This is Diolo Akinyemi, a renowned financial intelligence coach. And then alongside, this is a pastor. I could remember way back. He also showed interest in trading, and then a good way for him to be able to make money for himself. This is my partner. You're going to see me a lot also in the academy. This is Peter Akinola. All right, so as opposed to so many Forex traders who just make money from trying to train people and all of those things, and then for those who also are given to just trading demo accounts, and then they call themselves pros and all of those things. I'm way different. I've got more result trading for myself than trying to train or teach people trading Forex or anything. I've got more results from trading by myself. This is a queue into my withdrawals from my broker, HF Market, that's Hot Forex Market. And then this is over 3 million naira. That's a little above $10,000 plus. This is, my kind of teaching. It must result into money. If you tell me you trade Forex, you know about Forex trading, bro, you got to show me the results. I want to see the cash results. When you see someone who's trying to tell you about how they trade or blah, 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 let them show you the withdrawals. Let them show you withdrawals. All right, this is another one sometimes, and then over 2 million naira being withdrawn also to the same bank account. This is 9 April 2019. You can see my balance right there. With my broker. So my intention is not to make it very complex for you. I'm sure that you may have at one point in other or the other heard about people saying, "Oh, come join my Forex, this, that," and then either you've also lost money in trading Forex or you are completely and entirely new. My mission is not to give you all the complex things. You don't make money in complexity. in the simplicity of the knowledge of Forex, that's where the money actually lies. And I'm going to share it with you. Who can trade Forex? Absolutely anyone can trade Forex. If you can read and write, you are in the right mind, you understand numbers, you can, if you can understand 5 minus 1 equals to 4, you can send a message on WhatsApp and receive a message on WhatsApp, you can trade Forex. If you can study trends, you can look at, okay, this is higher than this is lower than this. You can actually trade Forex. You don't need any special skill sort of. But one thing you need to do is you need to be smart. You need to be able to learn. It's a continuous learning curve. And then you should be willing to submit yourself for learning. So if you're watching this at this point, I'm sure you're already on track. You're doing the right thing already. What do we trade? We actually trade currency pairs. That is, we are actually either predicting an increase in the value of a particular currency over the other, or a decrease in the value of a particular currency against the other. This is what I mean. For example, if you're looking at the Forex pairs, you're going to be seeing things like GBP USD, that's a pair. You're going to be seeing stuff like USD CHF, and all of those things. You would at every point in time find two currencies being paired together. That is, what we're doing is we're predicting the increase in price of one against the downfall in price of the other. I'm going to show it in a second when I go on my broker platform, so you can be able to have a cue into that. Who are we trading with? This is the largest financial market in the world. The foreign exchange is the largest financial market in the world. This is where the banks trade. This is where the central banks trade. The large hedge funds, investment banks, this is where they bring the money to. This market is presently valued at over $6 trillion on a daily basis. In volume, over $6 trillion is traded in this market on a daily basis. You don't want to joke with this market. That's the honest truth. Because what are your financial goals? What are your financial dreams? The truth of it is that I'm glad to tell you that you can achieve that. You can achieve that trading Forex. Whatever goal it is you have, you can achieve your financial goals trading Forex. So we are the retail traders, that is you and I, those of us who don't have the huge funds to be able to trade directly in the market. So we're able to leverage on what is referred to as the broker. And this is going to lead to, how do I start trading Forex? It's as simple as this. Please write this down. Write this down. For you to trade Forex, the major components that you need will be, number one, you need a broker. Then you need a bank account. You need a bank account first. You need a broker account. Then you need an ID card. You're going to need a government valid ID card for you to be able to verify your what's it called, your account with the broker. You're going to need an ID to verify your account with the broker. And then there are several brokers that you can use. And also immediately before I go into talking about the brokers that you can use, you need to quickly download this app, MetaTrader 4. You need to quickly download MetaTrader 4. You can search it on your iOS. You can search for it either on your Android. You would be able to find MT4. MT4 is the platform where we trade and carry out the activity of trading. Yeah, so having said that, then I'm going to talk about the brokers in a bit. If you're in Nigeria, I quickly recommend that you use either of these brokers for a start. And then if you check at the comment section, I'm going to be dropping a link for you to have them easy and up and going, so that you can easily register with them. The first one is Forex. Forex. Why do I recommend Forex and Forex Time? Not because they have any other not because I have any personal affiliation with them, but basically because they are easier for you to make your deposits directly in Naira. So think about it. You don't need a dollar account. You don't need a domiciliary account for you to be able to carry out trading with these guys, because from your bank account directly, you can just do a simple soft transfer, and then it gets credited in your wallet with them, and then you can move that to your MT4 account, where you are actually able to use the funds to trade. It's as easy as that. They don't make things complex for you. They really have value, and then they can serve the Nigerian market. And I recommend them because they've also been in existence. They've got offices around. They have support centers you can always go to in case you have challenges. But that will be basically: get your MetaTrader 4, create account with these brokers. You check out for the links to all of these ones right there. And also, there are still some other brokers that I recommend for those who want to trade cryptocurrencies, for those who want to trade indices. All links are going to be put right there for you in the comment section, so you can be able to lift them up and just register an account with them. Each of them also have an ability to, they have a customized MetaTrader 4 that you can use directly on your computer, on your computer. And then it really makes no difference actually, but it just makes it easy for you to be able to initiate and close your trades. And then I do recommend, though I don't trade news, but I recommend for you to be able to understand what's happening in the market also. Our news, you're going to have more of that when we get to fundamental class. How news affects the market. You need to quickly download your My FX book. It's an app. You find it either on the iOS platform or your Android platform. Then also, call levels would be of very, very good benefit to you. Just type as I've pronounced, call level, and then My FX book. The most important thing for me as a Forex mentor, a Forex coach, is that people should be able to learn and then earn. Every learning that is not adding up to, at the end of the day, you are not making money with it, it's trash. It's trash. Forex is here to make you money, and then you shouldn't be on the losing side. If you don't have the right information, the right instructions to work with, you are not going to make money. I've seen a lot of people asking me, how much do I need to deposit before I make money big time in Forex? Take a look at this. This is a deposit of $200. Closing balance is what? 1799. Of course, if you have good capital, fine. But if you have the skill, you have the knowledge, it makes your life way, way easier. It makes your life way, way easier. So you can challenge yourself. If you've got big capital, I'm not saying no, but you need to start small. That's the most important. If you have lesser than 200, fine, you can always start somewhere. Okay, so this is an amazing offer for you. What you get right here at Binance Club is you've got trade signals that will make you money. You've got detailed education to make you a professional also. I don't expect that you continually follow signals to the end of your life. No, you should also be able to master the market and then become a professional also. Robust interactive community of traders that you can always learn from, people who are more experienced than you, people who are coming behind you, people who are at your level. And then there's a free class on leveraging, on commodity, on trading indices, on gold and oil. Let me tell you something. If you think, or you've always thought yourself to have missed out on oil and gas, bro, you've got an amazing opportunity here. We still trade them, we make money in gold, and you don't necessarily need to have these assets physically with you. This is the financial market, and then a lot of things happen right here. You don't want to joke with Binance Club. There's an amazing offer for you, and then you need to hop in like now. You need to hop in right away. This is what we got for you right here. For those who are yet to, if you're privileged to watch this video and you're yet to be a member of the club, you pay 35,000 naira, and then that's going to cover your education, and then I'm giving you a free class. A free signal for the next 3 months. Your signals for the next 3 months is going to be absolutely free. This is discounted already. If you are coming for the signals alone, the signals cost you 18,000 naira per month. So for the 3 months, you're meant to pay 36,000 naira for signals and then 35,000 naira for the training. But what do you get in return? Instead of you paying 71,000 naira, you're paying just 35,000 naira. That's an amazing slash right there for you. And then for those coming at the advanced level, you're paying 70,000 naira. That covers you for the class, and then you're paying also, that also covers for what? For the 6 months of free signals. Then I've got the VIP community. That's for those who say, Toby, I need your hand holding one by one. I want you to take me from point zero or whatever point it is you are to where exactly I am right there. So that goes for 150,000. It's a one-on-one mentorship class online. All these academies are online, absolutely online. And then you've got 12 months of free signals right there. So check this out, guys. This is something you don't want to miss. You want to talk to me, vinanceclub@gmail.com, or then you chat me up on WhatsApp 234-8121-266-854. I look forward to hearing from you, and then I can't wait to see you in the next class. I'll see you in the next class, guys. It promises to be mind-blowing, and then promises to be great. Yeah.